This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes. And I'm going to show you possibly one of the most important features PowerPoint has incorporated into its feature set in the last 5 years, and that is called Designer. So we're looking at an old presentation that I have from a couple years back. And you can see by looking through, the slides all look the same. It's using a basic template, kind of very text heavy. The new feature is called Designer. And basically the way that you find it is you go to the Design tab, and then on the very far right side, you'll see an icon that says Designer. Click that, and it will say Designer, generating design ideas. And basically what it's doing is it's finding some different looks for the slides. Maybe it's finding some icons that you can use to make it look more relevant. And it's able to determine what those icons should be. Like, I didn't tell it should be a stack of books, but it figured out, Microsoft figured out that I'm talking about publishers and authors, so it's something related to books. And basically, once you've started to change your slides so they have this design element in them, you can really spice up your presentation. So you can see from my other slides there that they're still kind of plain Jane, but let's look at a new version of my of the same. Basically, it's the grandson of that presentation, and you can see that I've used these design ideas to really shake up the way the slides look. And there's a lot of flexibility to make bullets look a little bit more engaging, to incorporate graphics in a new way, like this particular one has like a circular graphic, and I really like it. So if you haven't used the Designer feature in PowerPoint, really it's time to get going on that, because you can really change the way that slides are looking. And another thing you can do is, even for a slide that you've already applied Designer to, you can choose new slides, new looks, just to spice things up a little bit, especially if you're going back to the same audience. I hope this video helped. If it did, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.